Hello and welcome to part 2 of the demonstration of my Instagram bot programmed in Python. First of all, thank you for the stunning feedback from the first part. As some of you asked for the download link in the comments section, I now created an email address where you can send a request. Just write an email with the subject Instagram bot and I will send you the link to the GitHub repository. The bot is for free for the first 5 users, after that I will charge $10. With the money you support the further development of the bot. If you have any other ideas how to further develop the bot, feel free to share your ideas in the comments section. In the last part I showed you that the bot can follow, like and comment Instagram posts via hashtags and also sends direct messages to the users followed. The bot then checks if the file with the saved followed accounts is older than 3 days and automatically unfollows all accounts. In this part I will share with you 2 new functionalities and some major improvements. So let's start with the improvements. First of all, I improved the user interface. You can now see your entered password by clicking the I symbol. Also, some input fields and markers get deactivated if you choose the different input fields. The second improvement is that the bot now saves the files with the followed accounts in different folders, so it is possible to use the bot with different accounts. This improvement allows better user management and more flexibility, as the bot can now be used for as many accounts as you like. So let's continue with the 2 new functionalities. The first one is the comments function. This function takes a username as an input as seen in the user interface when clicking the comments marker. When you press start, the bot automatically goes to the entered account and saves the latest posted posts in a list. After that, the bot goes to every post and comments the latest 10 comments. With this method it is easier to address different types of target groups. For example, if you have an account with fitness content, the bot can be used to comment comments from fitness influencers, as the users commented their post are interested in fitness-related stuff and maybe also are interested in the content of your page. The second new function allows us to unfollow all followed accounts at once. After you entered your username and password, the bot will go to your page and unfollows all your followed accounts automatically. The bot then goes to the folder with the files where the followed accounts are saved in a text file and deletes all of them as you just unfollowed them. With this you can easily clean your account. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like the video and subscribe to my channel for further updates. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can text the email address in the description if you are interested in using the bot. If you have any further ideas how to improve the bot or need a tool to automate other tasks, feel free to comment your ideas. This video just demonstrates how different tasks can be automated with Python. Thanks a lot. And as always, I wish you a great day.